safest I've ever felt in a car.
I remember you saying that, and that's true. We were as a family, of course, drove around a lot. He always drove. In those days, the man always drove, and we were in some tight spots. Blizzards and things like that. And you could just see that he had a skill set. A couple of times where we were, I mean, and you're driving 1970s Jeep Wagoneers too, by the way. It's not like today's cars where, you just drive it and some lights come on the dash and, some electronic babysitter just saved you from sliding off the road. Those cars were totally analog and, bad tires, bad brakes. And a few times up in Vermont, we were driving in blizzards and, you had to be a good driver to not go off the road. And he never put a toe off. You could see he was working, but he knew exactly what the car was doing. So yeah, racers are always practicing.
Perfecting
exactly.
their
We're always looking for that extra